Today on Do It Yourself Ken, we're going to be working on a 1997 Mitsubishi Montero LS. The problem that we're having is that when we open our rear driver's side door, the door light won't come on. When we open our front driver's side door, the door light comes on. When we open the front passenger side door, the door light comes on. When we open our rear passenger side door, the door light comes on. Because the problem is specific to our rear driver's side door, we suspect the problem is going to be our door jamb switch. Each door has this switch, and this is what makes the door light come on when the door is open. So, right, if you press this switch down, your door light should come off, and if you let it go, the door light should come on. When we test our rear driver's side door jamb switch, when it's open, the door light should be on, and when we try to close it, the door light should come off, but nothing happens with the door light. So this shows that our door jamb switch could be bad. So our rear driver's side door jamb switch could be bad for two reasons: the switch itself, or something wrong with the connection. So to test that, what we're going to do is we're going to replace this switch with a working one. In this case, we're going to take our rear passenger side door jamb switch and put it here. And now if our door light comes on, then we know that it's our switch that's bad. We're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver to take this screw out. So now we're going to take the switch out and disconnect it. You're just going to press on this tab and pull it out. So now we have our working rear passenger side door jamb switch, and now we're going to plug it in and test to see if this connection is good. So you want to plug your switch in, and then you want to screw this in. This your ground is going to be here, and this is going to be your power. So you need to screw this in order to for the switch to work. So once we swap the switch and connect it, our door light comes on, and when we press down on the switch, our door light comes off, and when we let go, our door light comes on. So it's our old switch is bad, and we just need to buy a new one and replace it. So here's our new door jamb switch for this particular vehicle. Please see the link below. So here's our new door jamb switch. We're going to connect it, put it back in, and then we're going to screw it in. So now with our new door jamb switch installed, when we open our rear driver's side door, the door light comes on. So that's the repair for when the door light doesn't come on when you open a single door for a 1997 Mitsubishi Montero. Hope you found this video helpful. Save time and stress working on this car by subscribing to the channel or clicking the playlist link below. Take care.